This is second room sa townhouse for sale at Santos Village 3 at Zapote, Las Piñas. Room 2. Sa second floor ito. Ito yung hagdan niya. Yan yung second room. Yan yung second room. Ay, first room. Ito yung second room. Tapos, mahangin siya. Dahil ito, ang likod niya, wala siyang wala siyang space. Ano lang siya, parang alley lot diyang banda na yan, kaya siya may open space. And then dito rin may service area kasi yan, kaya mahangin din siya. With na rin sa built-in cabinet. Yan. Nandito ito sa Santos Village 3 at Zapote, Las Piñas. So if you want to buy this townhouse with 2 bedrooms with garage, just call me at 0908-883-5092. I'm Amy Alonsabe. Ayan. The second room, I had taken separate video for the first room. This is the second room.